Welcome, here I've got OPPO A15 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this one, we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick the settings from the right so we can open more advanced camera options. And here in the photo category, at the third position we have the grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on and let's move back to the camera. In the preview we can see now these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of 30 in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the right corner, to the right settings, focus on photo category and pick the grid button from the right to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.